In today's video we will see how to fix the PS5 games crashing or freezing then stuck on screen. Fix 1. Force restart your PS5. Press and hold the power button on the front of the PS5. Keep holding it for 15 to 20 seconds even after you hear the first beep. Then wait until the console shut down completely and all indicators light turn off. Now unplug the power cable from the back of the console. Then leave it unplugged from 2 minutes to clear the temporary cache, and plug the power cable back in and turn on your PS5. Fix 2. Clear the cache and rebuild the database. So turn off your PS5 completely. Press and hold the power button. Now release the button only after you hear the second beep, about 7 seconds. Now connect your DualSense controller with a USB cable. Now press the PS button on the controller and select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database from the Safe Mode menu. Now run Clear System Software Cache first. After the console restart, return to the Safe Mode and select Rebuild Database and wait for the process to finish. Fix 3. Update the system and restore the game licenses. So first, update the game. Highlight the affected game on the home screen. Press the option button. Select check for update and install any available game updates. Then you can update the PS5 system. Open the system, then go to open the settings, then go to system. Now select system software. Then open system software update and settings. Install any available system update. Next, restore game licenses. So open the setting, go to user and account, then select other. Now choose restore licenses and select restore and wait for the process to complete. The fix 4. Check your storage and save data. So move the game to internal storage. If the game is installed on an external USB drive or M.2 SSD, move it to the PS5 internal storage. Disconnect the external drivers temporarily and launch the game again to check if the issue is resolved. Now delete corrupted save data. So open the setting, go to saved data and game app setting. Now select save data and PS5 and back up your saved data to PlayStation plus cloud storage or a USB drive. Now delete the local save files for the affected game. Now restart the game and check if it loads normally. The fix 5. Prevent your PS5 from overheating. If your PS5 freezes after extended gameplay, overheating may be causing the system to shut down or become unresponsive. So clean the console. First turn off and unplug your PS5. Remove the white side panel. Use compressed air or a vacuum designed for electronics to remove dust from the fan and air vent. Then improve the airflow. Place the console in a well ventilated area. Leave at least 4 inches or 10 cm of space around all sides. Avoid placing the PS5 inside the closed cabinet or directly on carpet. Now allow the console to cool completely before playing again. Goodbye and thanks for watching.